This old oak limb fell down at the old barn during one of the storms. So we're gonna come up here and cut this thing up. I can't cut up the main part of that branch. My chainsaw is too small for that, but I can get some of these other branches off, and then we will deal with the main section there. But praise God, we did not have any damage to the barn or to the tractor. There's a John Deere sitting back there behind a finish mower. I mean, it fell just about as close as it could get. So the extent of the branches are right on one of the support posts. So we're definitely grateful for that. But we'll start cutting up some of this thing and see how it looks afterwards. Got a lot of spring to it.